What's up, everybody? It's another day in the life of Praz. And I didn't have to work today, by the way. I had a 2-day off. But luckily my coworker messaged me and told that you can take my shift. I was like, okay. At least I make a money. Which I don't. Anyway. So, back again. We're going to work 9 to 5. It's the end of the day. Another beautiful day, you know. What I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for the good moments, you know. Good moments, good thing happens. Not only to me, my family, my friends, everybody around me. I think that's the life, you know. I'm understanding. You wish not only for yourself, people around you to be happy, to get what they want. Alright, let's just start the video first. Thank you for clicking. What's until that? It's raining outside today. I'm surprised. Really? Look at this. This looks like a hidden in the mist village, if you know what I mean. It's an anime. Okay, never mind. I don't need to explain. So it's hidden in the mist. That's village. It's a village hidden in the mist. That's the answer. It's a beautiful day, guys. Beautiful day. I was gonna talk about a lot of things, but I just added up the cartoon thing, so it won't gonna be serious. But every day is a new day, and don't forget to smile and hope for better. You know, if you expect things to be bad, it could be bad. So think for better and tell yourself that it's gonna be the best day. The best day is, I hope I don't miss the bus. I'm telling that every single day to myself. Hope I don't miss the bus. Hope I don't miss the bus. Okay. All right, guys. I'll see you after some time. I gotta cross the road. And it's raining today. It's a heavy rain. Heavy rain in downtown. Alright, guys, I gotta go to work. I'll see you after some time, okay? Yeah, I don't want to stay outside. If I stay outside, it'll be... Oh, I know this company. I know this company. I have a long history with this company, I would say. Yeah. This exact company. All right.
Sun is falling, speed in the black. Nobody driving. We're in the back. To the end of the world. Tides will rise, tides will
What up, everybody?
fall.
It's another day. Beautiful day in Halifax. Look at this. I gotta show you from this way. And welcome to Praz life, I would say. So how are you today, guys? When you're watching this, I gotta ask you, how are you first? I guess that's how you start the video. How are you? I'm good. How about you? How was the trip? Everything, correct? I gotta be watch out for this one crow over here. He always poops while I'm walking. I don't want to make my day bad, okay? So, World Cup well, until this video is out, there will be already a quarterfinal or semi-final, so it's gonna take some time, okay? But I'll try to upload 2 videos at a time in the same day, so just to catch up very fast. And guess what? I'm going to work, and next week we do have a 1 day extra day off because it's a long weekend. It's not a long weekend, it's just a middle of the week. We have a Canada Day. Yay! Haven't planned yet what are we gonna do, but let's see. And what's up with you? Well, I'm just walking over here. I'll talk to you after I go over there, okay?
Gravity of you to the end of the world. Fortune teller, deck in her hand. Fool arcana, live on the land. The gravity of you.
Well, I was gonna make a video sitting over here, right? But I think our bus is here, so we won't be able to make a lot of videos. Well, keep watching. All right. Well, another day to live. It's a good weather today. Good weather in Halifax, I would say. Look at this. And what I was telling is, so today's plan is first go to work 9 to 5, and then maybe I might gonna go to grocery after later, but I'm not sure about it. But maybe, and depends upon the plan, I would say. Gotta go to work at first. Everybody is. See these all people walking? These all are going to work. Well, same like me though. Don't worry about it. I'm also going. I'm just sitting down over here because my workplace is right there. But everybody is going. You know? Well, no hate to anybody. What I gotta do is gotta do it. You know, you run the. The good thing is good weather. All right. And what I was gonna say about it was, well, I'm done my work. I just realized, I was thinking, why do they have big cars over there? I think one of the family member is nurse or doctor or something like that. And I was like, oh, they have money. Well, do I have money? Question mark. I'm kidding. It's a beautiful day today, man. It's a beautiful day. Look at this, how beautiful is it? Done my work. I gotta watch there's another good match. I'm just waiting for match to start. No, Saturday they have a good match. It was a good day. Just another day for a new day. It's another day in Prague. Sorry, it's just another day in the life of Prague. Living in Halifax. I shall not forget that one. Okay. I'm not even tired. I don't even know what I'm doing. just need to go home, relax, and eat a dinner. I would say. All right, we are almost home. I'll see you after some time. What up, everybody? And almost to the end of the video. Nothing much. It's just a wonderful day to enjoy. Just my life, you know. Today we have a chicken, bok choy, bean sprout, rice, and lots of yummy food. And might gonna watch a soccer match, or we might gonna watch a football match. Depends. Comment down. What do you think? It's a soccer or football? It's a football. See, the laptop also says it's a football. All right, let's watch it, and we're gonna see you tomorrow with a beautiful video, with a wonderful. Tomorrow I gotta go to work, and you also gotta go to work. So see you tomorrow at work.